End-of-life upgrades help guide our customers to our most current versions and to stay on supported releases. Upgrade to the newest family to enjoy the latest features and benefits. This upgrade also helps mitigate security risks. We'll look at ServiceNow's support for current and unsupported families and where end-of-life falls. Then we'll look at the benefits of upgrading, the importance of planning early, testing, communicating within your company, and how to seek help along the way. An unsupported release is any family that is older than the previous 2 releases before the current family. We refer to this as N-2. Current releases are N, N-1, and N-2. End of life is when your N-2 release family becomes N-3. When this happens, patches and hotfixes are no longer available. Approximately 1 quarter before your release reaches end of life, ServiceNow will start sending notifications through Hi and email to the contacts on your company record to remind you that you need to take action by a certain date. You are encouraged to upgrade before the date given, and if you don't, your instance will be automatically upgraded. Be sure to keep the list of contacts on your account current. This is the responsibility of the customer's ServiceNow administrator. Plan ahead for your upgrade. Depending on the complexity of your instance and testing requirements, the upgrade process can take a few weeks to several months. Here's a scenario similar to what a ServiceNow customer and your admin might experience during the upgrade.
When we received the end-of-life notification, we knew we had to get moving. Our first decision was to choose a release family, and we decided to upgrade to the newest family. For internal communications, we relied heavily on the communication templates built by Champion's Enablement. This change would not only move us forward 3 releases, but also gave us many new standard features. We were shocked to see how many features we could deploy without using customizations. The process took about 4 months, 1 month in planning, 2 months for implementation, and 1 month for testing. The greatest resource during the process was all of the product documentation and the upgrade checklist. They helped us transition between the 2 families. After our go-live, positive feedback was received from departments throughout the company. Thank you for the upgrade. It's so much easier to use.
Complexity of the instance and testing requirements will drive the amount of time needed to plan. Start early, especially if this is the first upgrade. Follow the upgrade checklist to help stay on track, and check the release notes to see what's new in your new release. Champion Enablement, a team at ServiceNow, designs a communication packet to support your internal communications during the upgrade. The packet includes a guide to why and what should be communicated internally, email and PowerPoint templates, images, posters, and a Champion presentation. Visit the ServiceNow community for more information and questions about end-of-life upgrades. Contact the Patching and Upgrade team through your communication record on Hi for any logistical support. By staying on supported families, you gain our latest features and we all benefit from increased protection of our cloud environment. Be sure to plan ahead since an earlier ServiceNow family reaches end of life with each new family release. We have 3 tips for you. 1. Create a project team with executive sponsorship. 2. Write a project plan and gain buy-in from stakeholders. 3. Form a dedicated testing team and allow enough time to test. For more information, please consult our product documentation, knowledge base, or podcast, or ask a question in the ServiceNow community.